In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add editorial reviews on KDP, a valuable tutorial especially tailored for beginners. If you're new to Kindle Direct Publishing or just looking to make your book listings stand out with compelling reviews, this will be an essential skill to master. So let's get started with a detailed walkthrough to demystify the process, ensuring you can confidently add those reviews to enhance your book's credibility and appeal. First things first, you need to navigate to Author Central. This is where you'll have full control over your author profile and any associated book listings. If you're not already familiar with this portal, don't worry. It's a user-friendly hub designed to manage your books, interact with readers, and, of course, upload editorial reviews. Make sure you're logged in with your Amazon account that's linked to your published works. Once logged in, you'll want to open your book's details. You should see a list of your published titles, which is where the magic happens. Select the specific book for which you want to add or update editorial reviews. Clicking on the title will open its detail page, where a range of options for modification and updates is available. This page is your one-stop shop for managing book specifics. Now, once you've accessed your book's details, scroll down until you find the section labeled Editorial Reviews. This area may appear further down the page, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit more to find it. The Editorial Reviews section is where readers and potential buyers can see trusted external opinions about your book. Editorial reviews aren't just reader comments. They're typically professional assessments that add an extra layer of credibility and can significantly influence purchasing decisions. With the Editorial Reviews section now visible, you're ready to add your text. This is the part where you enter the reviews you've collected from professionals or notable readers. When typing out these endorsements, remember to maintain a professional tone and format them in a way that's easy to read. Keep sentences clear and concise, and make sure to attribute each review properly, whether it's from a publication, an author, or any noteworthy individual. The goal is to entice potential readers with authentic testimonials about your book's quality and appeal. Finally, once you've meticulously entered each review, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save or Publish button, which is typically found at the bottom of the Editorial Reviews section. By saving the changes, your reviews will now be live on your book's Amazon detail page, ready to influence and impress potential buyers. Congratulations! You've successfully added editorial reviews to your KDP listing. Remember, well-crafted editorial reviews can make a significant difference in how new readers perceive your book. Thanks for tuning in, and happy publishing!